What fun, what fun. Such relaxed moments with these kids who come for weekend super brain workshop to me. And I wonder, why do we love them so much? And the answer is simply because they connect to our core, the real source energy within us. The innocence, honesty, simplicity, freedom, absolute harmony, indescribable beauty, and peace. But as we grow up, we load our souls with so much unrequired. You made a tree, okay? What is the significance?
What does that mean?
What is the benefit of a tree? Why did you make a tree? Why not anything else?
Because it looks nice.
Okay, it looks nice. What are you making, Seher?
A stick.
A stick.
Yeah.
Okay, and what will you do with this stick?
Should we make it?
Huh?
But we need roots.
You'll
to
beat
fix
somebody?
it.
Who will you beat?
She'll beat somebody.
किसको पीटना है?